Kevin. How is your feel? How is your experience for today to see our activities with the children here?
Yeah, it's amazing. The energy we get every time we come here is beautiful. To see the smiles on the children's faces is fantastic. Brilliant energy. Um, it's hard to describe the feeling actually of the energy that surrounds my wife teaching here every week. It's very, very rewarding for the soul, and yeah, it's beautiful. Really, really nice to see. It's amazing, amazing feeling.
Yeah, well, in Aan Secret waterfall, we have a free learning English course here, and then the children are very, very enthusiastic in learning English. They want to know a lot more about what English is, because they apparently don't really understand or don't really know about what the meaning of this, what is the purpose of these lessons in their school. So I'm willing to teach them the right way in learning English, and then I also have a responsibility to make them, to have to make them encourage, yeah, to speak up. And then because sometimes they are very scared to speak. um, yeah, that first my big responsibility for me, so they can speak English, not only writing, not only written, but also spoken language. Yeah. And also I really want them to use these knowledges in the future to lead them in the brighter path, because English is very, very important right now for them, especially they live in Bali.